I'm going to show you how to make your very own moon mobile. You will need 2 paper plates, scissors, paint, 1 light, 1 dark, paintbrush, stickers, thread, a pencil, modelling clay, a sponge and a glue stick. First, put 1 paper plate on top of the other, like this. Use the edge of the plate to draw a nice moon shape. When a grown-up has helped you cut along the line, it'll look like this. We can use this to cut out the same shape on the other plate. Paint your plates in a dark colour. When they're dry, turn them over and paint along the edge, like this. As soon as your plates are dry on the back, bring in the lighter paint and a sponge. Flip the plates over and dab on the lighter paint gently. This helps make a lovely moon effect. Wait for the plates to dry. And then it's glue time. Stick your plates back to back like this. Now let's add some stickers, shall we? I love this bit. Take your modelling clay and ask a grown-up to help you pierce a hole through the top of your moon. This is for your thread. And finally, let's push the thread through the hole to hang it up. And look, here we go, our very own moon mobile. And there are lots more brilliant makes just like this on the CBeebies YouTube channel.